Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So as you all know, I am a PCOS patient and today I'll show you what I eat in my breakfast to cure PCOS naturally at home. So before jumping into the video, I wanna give a small brief about PCOS. So what does PCOS stand for? Polycystic ovarian syndrome. It is a disease that manifests in female bodies as a result of hormonal imbalance. This causes irregular periods, sometimes overbleeding, facial hair, anxiety, thinning of scalp, and weight gain. Today, PCOD has become the leading cause of infertility in women. Yes, it is a serious disease, but it can be cured if you are really serious about making few changes in your lifestyle. Else, you may spend your life depending on medicines. Trying to control your hormonal imbalance using medicines may have a lot of side effects. So if you are really serious about treating this condition, then stop depending on medicines. So what to do? Don't worry. No matter how serious this condition gets, you still can bring about an ideal hormonal balance in your body by just eating the right food. Your food is your medicine. Believe me, it's not that difficult. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Now exercise is a must and regular exercise means stronger ovaries which will help in balancing our hormones. That also means less bloating, mood swings and cramps. Sleep is another important strategy. Try to sleep and wake up at the same time every day. Irregular sleep and night outs will wreak a havoc on your hormones. So a good 8-hour peaceful sleep is much needed in healing PCOS. Do let me know if you like to see more such videos and comment below your suggestions. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.